with 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Pass break is stolen by Malabayabas para sa grupo ng Princess Rusher 1B. Stolen by Bibot, sending for the MVP of Palawan. We have only 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 14, ang MVP ng Baragatan sa Palawan, Renin Taripe. Number 14 is top pin, pull up Jay Burn. Good for 2 points by Taripe. Pero yung Toto Suelo at Batyan Cilia, medyo hindi pagkakaunawaan sa nangyari. 14, shot lock down to 5. 4 seconds on the shot lock. Urin katakutan, not good! Kanya pa rin, Urin katakutan sa ilalim. Iikot, Urin katakutan! Pang! 35-42, lumalamang ng 7 puntos yung grupo ng Axors laban sa team ng Princess Rusher 1B. Para sa ating third quarter, Ambuloto, no good. Put back by Ambuloto, isusubo, tapi ka ng bola, try to put it back, wala pa rin Ambuloto, pang-apat na pukol. And good evening ladies and gentlemen, tonight you're about to witness the basketball ng ating 11 Mayors Cup Open Invitational Basketball Tournament 2024 and matches to be played by team of Princess Rusher 1 Badajoz laban sa team ng Axors Matis. Maya lamang malalaman na po natin kung sinong papasok po ng championship game. Kung sakaling manalo po yung team ng Axors, sila na po yung makakakuha ng unang ticket patungo sa kampyonato. Pero kung sakaling manalo po for your team of Axors or for team of Princess Rusher 1 Badajoz, may 1 game pa po tayo bukas ng ating semifinals. This game is sanctioned by FIBA rules and will be implemented by Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Palawan Chapter. The starters for team of Princess Rusher 1 Badajoz. Starting with wearing jersey number 14, the reigning MVP of Baragatan sa Palawan, Renin Taripe. And one of the player of Palawan State University, John Patrick Timbangkaya. Number 17, Urin Katakutan. And wearing jersey number 18, Cabana. The starters for team of Axors Matis. Starting with wearing jersey number 10, Toto Suelo. The two-time MVP of Palawan, number 7, Jeric Dagot. Number 23, El Banana, Eric Magbanwa. A former PBA player, number 26, John Ambuloto. A MPBL player number 26, Kenneth Tinor. And now ladies and gentlemen, this is the semi-final game ng ating 11 Mayors Cup Basketball Tournament 2024. All set and the ball is up. Time is on. Let's get it on. Let's play some basketball. One number 20, Kenneth Tinor. But for team of Princess Rusher 1B, number 14, the reigning MVP of number 26, John Ambuloto. At the reigning MVP of Baragatan sa Palawan, number 14, Renin Taripe, bibigay sa kanto. 8 minutes and 38, reverse shot, Urin Katakutan. Good stolen by Patrick Timbangkaya, isa sa mga pilabot ng Palawan State University, sending for Renin Taripe, number 14. Nakitang bukas yung Urin. Doesn't work. Hindi bumasket for Gochoco, samantalang Kenneth Tiner, 3 points for the semi-final game ng ating 11 Mayors Cup Basketball Tournament 2024. At naglalaban yung team ng Princess Rusher 1B. Number 18, the Mavs phenomenal player, Daryl Cabana. Bakbakan pa rin ang Princess Rusher 1B laban sa team ng Axors Matis, Kenneth Tinor. 6 minutes and 18, Kenneth outside, nothing but net. 3-point territory. Renin Taripe, the reigning MVP of Baragatan sa Palawan, ayaw pa rin tanggapin yung layup nitong Renin Taripe. Samantalang for team of Axors Matis, a former PBA player, Ambuloto. Winning quarter. Samantalang number 2, Bibo Talingting, bibigay kay John Ambuloto, a former PBA player. Good. 1 minute and 15, Harvey Lim, ibibigay kay the number 17, Urin Katakutan, 3 points. Seconds remaining time ng ating Carter number 1, number 32, outside jumper, 3-pointer, no good, but John Harvey Lim, the pride of El Nido, good for 2 points. number 17, Urin Katakutan, quick cross, Urin step back, harassing by number 12, Urin Katakutan, pinagpag yung Hazel Gadi. Good puntos yung ilalamang ng team ng Princess Rusher, 1 Badaos, bagsak yung depensa ng Kenneth Tiner, pero hindi bumasket. But number 10, Toto Suelo, nakitang bukas ang Herbuloy Dagod. Good. We have only 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 14, ang MVP ng Baragatan sa Palawan, Renin Taripe. Number 14 is top pin, pull up Jay. Bang! Good for 2 points by Taripe. Pero yung Toto Suelo at Batyan Cilia, medyo hindi pagkakaunawaan sa nangyari na yun, mga kaibigan. Titignan po natin kung ano yung magiging hatol ng ating officiating officials with 8 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Itong Toto Suelo at Batyan Cilia hindi pagkakaintindihan. Titignan po natin kung ano yung magiging hatol ng ating officiating officials. Call for a double technical foul against number 10, itong Toto Suelo, at number 0, Batyan Cilia ng team ng Princess Rusher. At number 7, Jeric Dagot, ang MVP ng Palawan. Not good for Jeric Dagot. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Urin Katakutan, katawan sa katawan. Kinaldag si Toto Suelo, but Taripe once again is top pin, a pull up Jay. Good for 2 points, Taripe. Abante po ng 4 na puntos lamang yung team ng Princess Rusher 1B, but is stolen the pride of Elino. On the go, good Choco. Number 10, Toto Suelo, ang basketballistang boksingero. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Number 10, a layup. It's good for 2 points by Toto Suelo. Itong Malabayabas from the 3-point territory. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Toto Suelo, galawang veterano. Good for 2 points, Toto Suelo. With 6 minutes and 40 seconds, number 10, Toto Suelo, pass break is stolen by Malabayabas para sa grupo ng Princess Rusher 1B. Stolen by Bibot, sending for the MVP of Palawan, Jeric Dagod. Finding Cabana, binigay kay Malabayabas. Hulyo ng Hazel Gadi, but Bibot Talingting ibibigay sa number 7, sending for Kenneth Tiner. Number 20, a jumper for 2 points. Urin Katakutan, quick cross. Didiskarte yung Urin Katakutan. Sondot at kuha nitong John Paulo Hagmis. Stop pin, a pull up J. The pride of Inagawan, Puerto Princesa. 14, shot lock down to 5. 4 seconds on the shot lock. Urin Katakutan, not good. Kanya pa rin, Urin Katakutan sa ilalim. Iikot, Urin Katakutan. Pang! Good. Number 16, Patrick Timbangkaya, stolen. Kenneth Tiner, sending for Bibot Talingting. Lilibre. Good for 2 points by Bibot Talingting. Ang Axors, samantalang for team of Princess Rusher 1B with 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Number 17, Urin Katakutan, outside. Boom! Boom! Basket for 3 points. Urin Katakutan, 33-37 from the top of the K-wall jumper by Urin Katakutan. But El Banana Eric Magbanwa, gaganti at babawi ang El Banana Eric Magbanwa. Kay John Patrick Timbangkaya, we have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock, last 15. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Taripe, zigzagging move, tinapon na lang. Good for 2 points by Taripe. 35-42, lumalamang ng 7 puntos yung grupo ng Axors laban sa team ng Princess Rusher 1B. Para sa ating third quarter, Ambuloto, no good. Putback by Ambuloto, isusubo, tapi ka ng bola, try to put it back, wala pa rin Ambuloto, pang-apat na pukol sa pool, Ambuloto. Toto Suelo para sa grupo ng team ng Axors, Matis. Toto Suelo, pupukol ang 3 by Toto Suelo, 3 points. Samantalang ilalabas yung batang Gochoco at papasok itong Paulo Agmis, but number 14, Taripe, 2-pointer. Goal, hindi pumasok yung pukol nitong number 14, Taripe. Number 14, Toto Suelo, galawang veterano. Good for 2 points by Toto Suelo. 9 Agmis, sending for Taripe. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Urin Katakutan. Boom! Good for 2 points, Katakutan. 45 seconds remaining time. 10 point, 41-51, number 7, Jeric Dagot. We have only 12 seconds on the shot clock. John Ambuloto, yung mamang kalawete. 43-53, but by number 7, Jeric Dago, 3 points. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for this third quarter. Toto Suelo, galawang veterano by Toto Suelo. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Rinen Taripe leads, not good for Taripe. Cabana number 18, sending for number 9, but a jumper by Taripe. Punit, good. We have only 14 seconds on the shot clock, but Jeric Dagot, lagot, good for 2 points by Dagot. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining, 45-60, 15-point lead with your team of Axors, but Ambuloto, a former PBA player, good for 2 points, Ambuloto. Lilipad sana itong Uring Katakutan pero hindi bumasket, sending for number 17, Uring Katakutan, a left-foot finish, good for 2 points, Katakutan. Trinidad, 1 minute and 40 seconds, Ambuloto, makakabuelo, floater by Ambuloto, good for 2 points. Balukos ang hapon ng Quezon, number 8, Jared Trinidad. We have only 5 seconds, Jeric Dagot, not good for Jeric Dagot. Agmis, sending for Patrick Timbangkaya, Rinen Taripe, isusubo na, good for 2 points by Taripe. 64-58, we have only last 45 seconds remaining time. Stolen again, Taripe once again, good for 2 points, Taripe. Ng Princess Rusher 1B, last 15. We have only last 10. John Ambuloto, Puchirap, good for 2 points, Ambuloto. Rusher 1B Taos, good luck for both teams. Ang ating last in the final quarter, 54-66, Uring Katakutan, dire-diretso, iniwas pa, good for 2 points, Katakutan. Kutan sa dalawang defender with your team of Princess Rusher 1 Badaos. Napika ng bola, nice save by Urin, ibibigay kay Taripe, number 14, Trinin Taripe, layup, not good for Taripe, hindi nahulog. Put back, 2 points, 58-66. Bababa sa 8-point yung pangangalaga ng team ng Axors Matis, number 10. Sending for Bibot Talingting, number 2, Bibot Talingting. Nawala yung bola para sa grupo ng team ng Axors. Ibibigay kay number 59, Pau Siasoko, the Little Dynamite of Municipality of Nara. Taripe creating some space, sending for Katakutan. And call for a foul against with wearing jersey number, according to officiating referee. According to officiating referee, foul against with wearing jersey number. Foul against number 10, Toto Suelo, call for a foul. And act of shooting, 2 shot for number 17, Toto Suelo. First free throw by Uring Katakutan, good for 1. Last in the free throw, good for 2 points by Katakutan, or good for 1 by Uring Katakutan, 59-66. We have a 7-point lead, 8 minutes and 55. Toto Suelo jumper, no good for Toto Suelo. Another pass break, Rinen Taripe, boom! Taripe! With 8 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time, El Banana, Eric Magbanwa, 3 points. For 3, 61-69. Urin, not good for Katakutan. Cabana number 18, sending for Taripe. Nasa siko ng free throw, good for 2 points, Taripe. 63-69, 6 point with 7 minutes and 58. El Banana, nothing but net, punit, 3! 7 minutes and 45. Parang alam na ng head coach ng team ng Princess Rusher 1 Badaos. Dahil pag tumitira yung El Banana, but number 17, Urin Katakutan, 3-pointer. Outside jumper, Toto Suelo, 3 points. 69-82. Rinin Taripe, step back, outside, boom! 3 points, Taripe! What a shot by Taripe from the top of the K-wall, down to 10 points. 72-82, Toto Suelo, dire-diretso. Hindi bumasket, but put back ang Buloto. Basketball count at may kasama pang foul. Good for 3 points by John Ambuloto. 20 seconds remaining time. Number 31, John Harvey Lim. Cross-court para kay Paulo Agmis. Patrick Timbangkaya finding Harvey Lim ng El Nido. Good for 3 points, Harvey Lim. Points. Toto Suelo, number 10. Ang basketballistang boksingero. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Galawang veterano. Good for 2 points, Toto Suelo. Boxers. 75-87. We have a 12-point lead. Number 17, Urin Katakutan. Basketball count at may kasama pang foul. Only time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Number 11, Erbuloy. Number 26, Ambuloto. Ang napakalaking mamang kick out for Erbuloy. We have only 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining time. Outside jumper, not good. Not good for Laksamana, but number 11, Erbuloy! Good for 2 points by Dagod! 80-91, this is a semi-final game mga kaibigan. Uring Katakutan, number 17, basketball count by Uring Katakutan at may kasama pang foul. 83-91, we have only 1 minute and 7 seconds. Pero biglang natigil. Good call. El Banana, Eric Magbanwa, 1 minute go. We have only last 55 seconds. Number 2, Bibo Talingting. We have only 10 seconds. Stolen with your team of Princess Russia, 1 Bandahos. Last 50 seconds. Sending for Taripe. Good for 2 points, Taripe. 86-91 with 5-point lead. Yan yung sinasabi natin. Umuuwi na yung mga tao pero natigil pa. Ito Bibo Talingting, number 2, sending for Jeric Dagot sa pagbabalik ng MVP ng Palawan. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock, last 39. Jeric Dagot, the MVP of Palawan. Ang Jeric Dagot ng Palawan. We have only 33 seconds. We have only last 30. Urin Katakutan. Not good for Katakutan. Number 17. The pride of San Vicente, Laksamana. 86-93. Not good for El Banana. We have only 10. 9 seconds remaining time. We have only time remaining 5 seconds. We have only 2 seconds. Good for 2 points. Agnes. 88-94. And that's the end. Last in the final quarter. Bounce to championship game. Congratulations for team of Axos Mapi.